What's up, YouTube? Murtacus back here, bringing you guys another video. As you can see, got the SLK, got the drop top down, looking super clean. Let me show you like the tires. It's a little dirty, but let's get straight into the video. Got the key right here. 81 degrees outside, super nice out, sunny. Let's go on a little POV cruise. So yesterday, me and my dad, we fixed one of the parts on the engine, on the front of the engine. It was the camshaft sensor position, and I had to take it out, reinstall it. I actually ended up just cleaning the area. It's a common fault on this motor, the 230 compressor engine. Wow, that was the SL with the drop top down. I got to get one of those soon. But like I was saying, this is such an important thing if you're an owner of a 230 engine. It's this camshaft magnetic sensor. It's on the front of the engine. It's where the cover is. You take the cover off, and if you see any oil leaking down, mine was leaking so bad I had to clean it up. It was so bad. But it affects the sensor. There's an electric plug that goes in, and it can cause issues if the oil is, you know, like leaking onto that plug. So it took about like an hour, I'd say, because I've never done it before. And I'm glad that we got it done, because I'll just give you a little rip. The handle's better. Handle's way better. So I believe the camshaft helps with the higher end, like high-end RPMs. So cleaning that sensor definitely feels just way more responsive. Oh man. Yeah, forgive the beeping. It's because when you put the roof down manually, it kind of goes, it does not like it, unfortunately, the sensor. There must be some sensor. I haven't really looked into it. But the trunk is secure. It's all secured. It just really doesn't like doing it manually. But it is worth having the top down experience, so I think it's worth it. Oh man, dude, this thing just goes. This thing just goes. But I'm so glad I got the top down working, because when I first bought the car, the top didn't work automatically, because you're supposed to just hold the button and it will automatically bring it down. But unfortunately, when I got mine, I tried it. At first there was no power to the switch, so I had to get a relay. Shout out R32 Nick. He gave me a relay that, it wasn't OEM, but it works, so I can't complain. It's what I use to put the little windows down on the side, so I can't complain at all there, because it actually does do its function. But other than that, I also had a really weird, my brake light was going in and out on the passenger side. So cops will pull you over if your lights are all not working, just for that. And if you didn't know that, at least in my state, I live in the US, if the cops see your brake lights not functioning properly, they can pull you over just for that. And so I just fixed that. I actually applied aluminum foil. There was a tab that broke off. I applied aluminum foil to where there's like a contact, and I fitted it back on, and it works perfectly. I've been using it for like a couple days. I actually drove into my city, no issues at all. And that's also the other thing. I'll have to do a video I live next to DC, and this car in DC is actually perfect. Like super easy to maneuver, and it's fast off, you know, like on a red light I can get past people easily, almost too easy, honestly. Just got to be careful, like the red light cameras and the speed cameras in the city, they're like everywhere basically. But I was just trying to say, like, this thing in the city is so easy. I don't do street parking, I only do the garage, and I found a great app called Spot Hero. Not sponsored by them or anything, but shout out Spot Hero. It's like $7 for like all night parking on like a weekend, so that's incredibly clutch. But other than that, fixing that camshaft sensor also helped with the idling for sure. The idle's better. Like if you have that, if you have a 230 engine like I do, definitely take a look if it's you know, like kind of oily, which I bet it was if it's never been serviced. You don't have to get another one. You can just reuse the one you have. I put gasket maker around it. You gotta make sure that it's sensor friendly, and it's got to be oil resistant as well as temperature resistant. But it was like $7 at AutoZone, super easy DIY. I should have filmed it, but I will say it was like in the evening time, so the lighting was absolutely atrocious. But it is really easy to do yourself. And now that I've done it, I'm definitely more confident in the car. For sure. I mean, like, it's kind of weird because like the car wasn't throwing any error messages beforehand. It's just after I fixed it, the idling, like it had a little bit of an idle issue. But now that I fixed that camshaft and it's all cleaned up and stuff, I put some like electronic cleaner on the plugs and stuff. It's super good. My next probably project with this car is suspension. It is kind of like not the best, for sure, to put it that way. But it works good. Here's another pool. Oh my gosh. But yeah, this thing rips absolutely. If you're in the market for one, definitely look into it. Shout out to the people commenting. Guys are the best. I'll keep you guys updated for the next video. But like I was saying, I just want to give a quick little update, quick little POV drive of what I've done to the car. Catch you on the next one. Murtacus out. Peace.